Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. More parts for the YZ. I am about tired of. Guess I opened it upside down. As you can see, that is genuine. Genuine yummy. Guess you could blame the YZ85. I don't know. I was Honda before. But now I'm feeling Yamaha, and I didn't even really roll the YZ85 really like that, but I want to get a YZ450. That's what I want. But yeah, see what we got. That looks like a gasket to me. Still in the gasket. This looks like the head gasket. See it up. More. O-rings and such, everything we need. I don't even know what all these parts are, but I know this is a complete, if you don't know by now, top end kit for the YZ85. Here's a list of what's included. Screenshot that or whatever. I'm gonna put a link in the description, you know. So if you wanna get this, I got it off eBay, so you know. I put you on, it was cheaper, it's actually cheaper than going straight to Yamaha, so you know, help me, I help you. Go like, comment, and subscribe, you know, help each other out. Piston ring, pen, I think I already showed this, did I not? But I got the B kit, as you can see, pointing towards the front exhaust, whatever you want. But OEM, everything OEM. We got the NGK. Let's see, what is this? It is a BR10EG. That's the stock. I've been running a BRT. I was running a BR9 ES, and then I put a BR80 ES because people say the hotter plugs run better with these, but I don't know. With the new top end, I don't think I'm gonna put this in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just yeah, I think I'm getting rid of the YZ85. I'm pretty much settled on it now. I'm gonna just post this with the bike, like, look, I mean, because the top end really doesn't need to be replaced, but I was just doing it just to see, like, if we can somehow figure out what the devil is really wrong with, well, I'm gonna keep it out to take pictures so I can put it on Facebook Marketplace, offer up, whatever. But it's still bogging. I was trying to tune it a little bit yesterday. I actually got it running a little better. I actually popped the wheel up in first and second, so it was running a little better, but I don't know. I was just trying to have, since I was in this deep with it, I'm pushing up around $2,000 on the 2003 YZ85 that barely runs, so we just gonna get rid of it. Hopefully I can get around $1,500 for everything and put that towards a new bike. I wanted to keep a little two-stroke, you know, to mess around with it and have something if I want to go riding with somebody, you know, but it's just, yeah, at this point, I'm pretty much done with it, so. Be someone else's problem, they can probably get it running, but that's it for now. About to go take some pics, probably clean the bike up a little later when it gets dark, because it's 90 some degrees outside and I ain't got time for that. But yeah, clean the bike up and get it posted. That'll be that.
Several days later.
Alright, so I was trying to get off this lever without damaging or breaking it, but oh well, at this point. Just want to get this joint off and get this joint sold. So that's what we doing. I'm gonna just basically wedge my screwdriver in there like so. Hammer it in, open this gap up. Get it up out of there, man. We ain't got time. We messing around with this. So that's what we doing. There you go. All right. As you can see, we got it off. I don't know why I don't want to focus, man. We got it off, but you can see it's kind of stripped out. Hopefully it works. I'm just tired of this bike, man. But I did want to show a little comparison of the new one and the old one. As you can see, that definitely should work. Put it on top of the other one. Do look just about the same. So that should work. Alright, now let's get it on. This is the last thing I'm gonna do before I sell it. Went and took that Pro Taper clutch lever off, about to send that back. Terrible. 1000% don't recommend that Pro Taper lever. Get the more expensive one, $30 more, I think. But let's get this on. Let go. Okay, got the new joint on there. Stator cover back on. It looks good. And that's all. Might put the new grips on, might not. I don't think I am actually. They just gonna get dirty. They get dirty in seconds, but yeah, it's time to post this joint up. I'll have around $1,900–$1,900 in this thing. I'm gonna put it up for $17. Lowest I'll take is $15. As I'm looking at the market, I just saw a 2010 mint condition for $2,000. I saw another like 08 pretty clean for $1,500–$1,600, and this is a 03, so we'll see. I'll get what I can out of it, but you know, I can't expect too much. It's just my fault, me trusting, whatever. But we moving on in the future. I'm gonna have a new bike soon. So it is what it is, ain't what it ain't. I'm about to make me a cold start video real quick, so anybody ask for it, and that's about it. Let go.